I'm going to walk you through how to have HackerRank account setup and its interface. Let's go HackerRank, click on the link, go create your free account. If you don't have a one, I'm going to show you how to create the account. Go create free account. Go I am here to practice and prepare. Create account. Now you can connect with any of your Gmail account, LinkedIn or GitHub. I will connect it with my Google account. NeoTech. Accept the terms and service update. Login. Continue. Accept the terms condition. Accept. I am here to learn and cooperate with others. Click on that. I am a student. Pick any. I will graduate in. Pick the graduating year you are graduating in. I am picking 2028. I am interested in contacting with the job opportunity. Yes. Do click that. Because if you have any person reaching out to you after seeing your ranking and the amount you have performed, they can reach out to you for the jobs or internship, so it's beneficial for you. So this is the interface. Here you can play around, see things. Here you can see the certificates, skills, topics. So this is going to be a series on Python. Let's go on Python. Click. So these are all the problems. Go solve it, and up there is your rank, current global rank. And I don't like this white interface, so let's change it on the account. Go here, you can see the dark mode. I preferably like dark mode, so I will go with that. It's your choice. So let's solve the first Python hello world, the basic question, the basic first prompt everyone does in starting their coding journey. So here you can see on the left side you will see the problem. Always on the left side in the HackerRank you can see the problem statement, task, and sometimes they give you suggestions to solve, but it's not common. And mostly in HackerRank and other types of platform you already have a std input, like they have a pre-inputs, so you don't need to initialize the input from the user, and std out too, so you need to match the expected output correctly. You need to match your output should be exactly similar to the in expected output. So let's type hello world, hello comma world. Now make sure you don't skip the exclamation mark because it's gonna take every single character to check the expected output. So let's run it. We are seeing an error here. Yeah, you can see that there is a gap on in the expected output between the comma and the word. Let's put a gap. Now let's run it again to check it. Yeah, it's running, so it works fine. Now like we are good to go. So this is all for setting up your HackerRank. Just go and solve as many questions as you can, and if you get into any problem you can refer to my videos that gonna come. Bye.